Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, you're in for a treat today. Look at my shirt. That's right, it's a burger. And what does it say on it? Mr. Beast Burger. And that's right. So stay tuned. We went to the American Dream Mall. We went to Mr. Beast Burger. And I'm going to tell you all about it. So don't go away. Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. And for those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Dolores. Well, we're in for a little bit of a treat today. Yesterday, I live in New Jersey, and we went to the American Dream Mall. Oh, I couldn't believe it. It is so big. And I would say it's probably almost 50-50. Part retail stores and part entertainment. Now, I'll do another video for you on the mall. You just won't believe it. Oh my goodness. I think it is the second largest mall. I think the first one is the one in Minnesota, but this one is the largest indoor entertainment mall in the United States. Water parks, ice skating rings, Nickelodeon areas, and what blew my mind was the indoor skiing. So I'm going to tell you about that in another video, but I was very, very impressed. One of the reasons we went there was to see Mr. Beast's hamburger restaurant, and yes, this is his logo, and I have one of his shirts on. Now, if you don't know who Mr. Beast is an award-winning digital content creator. Let me just tell you that as of the end of December 2022, Mr. Beast, that's his channel name, had over 120 million subscribers. That sounds awesome to me. Mr. Beast is the most subscribed individual on YouTube. Now that says a lot, right? He launched his channel in 2012, and his channel is mostly random, but let me tell you, it's dazzling and it's attention grabbing. Mr. Beast's name is actually Jim Donaldson, and he's from the United States. He's known for his virtual challenges like eating the world's largest slice of pizza, and mostly for his charity. He does many charity stunts, like giving away $1 million to someone, but it has to be spent in 1 minute. Could you do that? I could figure it out. It's not hard to be drawn into his channel by these original and extraordinary videos he does. He gained 15.7 more. Now this is more subscribers, and jumped to the 4th position in 2021. And now he's moved up in 2022. So anyway, a little background on him. Go over and see Mr. Beast's channel. But we went to his burger restaurant yesterday at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. It's the only physical restaurant open. And we were anxious to see what it was all about. I went with my son and my grandson Lucas. And of course we went at a busy time of year. The week between Christmas and New Year's, where all the kids are off. So let's suffice to say it was crowded, but we didn't care. We waited on a long line for quite a while to get up there and order those burgers. So I'm going to show you now some videos and a few snapshots I took of Mr. Beast's burgers. So I hope you enjoy it. This is sort of my little info video and my review on the burgers. So don't go away, and make sure you stay till the end, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe and the little bell because you never know what I have coming up next. And plus, I am going to do a little snippet in a future video on the American Dream Mall. You won't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Going up the escalator to the floor that Mr. Beast was on, this is the view that you saw. Well, we came to eat at Mr. Beast. Look at the line. It's going round and round and round and round. Maybe we'll eat by dinner time. I don't know. Look at this. It's a very big line. And here's Scott and Lucas online waiting. And it keeps going and going and going. Place is awesome, but Mr. Beast, let's see how long Mr. Beast's line is. Oh my goodness, it's long. One of the walls you could write on, and you can see how many people signed their names on this wall since the restaurant opened. And it really wasn't that long ago. This mall hasn't been open very long. It took many, many years to complete this masterpiece. Coming up, you'll see Scott and Lucas. Scott was with Lucas and they were signing their names on the wall. Here you go. I don't know if we'll find it. Oh, look at this glass encasement on the wall. It's full of real $1 bills. As you're waiting in line, you can stroll past it. Maybe to pass time, you can guess how much money is in there. Here's Lucas and Scott. You can see they're getting anxious to get up there and get some food. Everybody is so hungry. Oh, we're getting closer. There's the counter where it says, don't forget to get your swag. Oh my, Lucas is getting a drink. We placed our order for Mr. Beast Burger. Dun da da da, look at that. Oh! Here I am. I got the Mr. Beast Burger. The others got the Mr. Beast cheeseburgers. Oh yeah, we were hungry.
I can't finish this fries though.
I have never eaten a burger so fast in my life. I have to say, I would give this 10 thumbs up. This was the best burger I ever ate. What do you think, Lucas? Did you like it? It was good, wasn't it? Yeah, and you, Scott? Yeah, it's unanimous. We love, love, love the Mr. Beast burgers.
Mr. Beast also has a little merch store. You'll see. I took some videos of it. And that's where I got this shirt. This is his logo. And look at these. These are Mr. Beast's chocolate bars that he sells. He sells them individually. Whoopsie. And he sells them in little boxes, depending on the flavors. He has several flavors. These are made with only 5 ingredients. They're supposed to be much more natural than regular chocolate bars. And it says Mr. Beast bar. This happens to be a milk chocolate one. So we bought a few of them there. And can't wait to dig in. And plus, he says on here that these are only made with grass-fed milk. Here's a little peek at his store. There's some prices there. That's from the outside looking in. And here you can see there's t-shirts, there's sweatshirts, there's adult and children's sizes. They look like they even had toddlers or baby sizes in there. This is where I bought my shirt and Lucas got his. And the candy bars are sold in here. And they had hats and key rings and just your general merchandise. But it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed this little video on Mr. Beast's burger place. And if you're in New Jersey, by all means, come and visit that American Dream Mall. I was blown away by it. Honestly, I couldn't believe it. And hopefully I'll put a video on very soon showing you some highlights of the mall. You won't believe it too. So anyway, thanks for watching. Love you all. See you soon. Toodles!